Step 1 is to select an offer. Step 2 is to get your affiliate link. Step 3 is to share your affiliate link right here. And step 4 is to get paid. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make between 50 cents and $4 in passive income over and over again. This strategy I'm about to break down for you today can be done in less than 5 minutes. You can make hundreds of dollars every single day through this money-making method. It's completely free with zero investment or upfront cost. This is also available worldwide. You'll be able to get paid out on a daily basis as well. But make sure that you watch this all the way through to the end of the video so you know exactly how to set this up for yourself so you can make the most money with this method. I'll also be sharing with you an unknown method in getting free traffic and lots of it to your affiliate link at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around for that. So for the first step, I want you to head over to this website called CPAlead.com. I want you to click on this button at the top right corner that says Sign Up. You can sign up with either your Google account or any other email address you'd like. The sign-up process is quite straightforward, so go ahead and do that if you don't have an account with this website already. And if you look here on the right-hand side, you'll notice that there is a $1 minimum daily payout. There are also several different payment methods that you can choose from. And if you don't know what CPA means, it stands for cost per action. So if someone were to complete a particular action like signing up to something or providing their email, you will then get paid. That person won't even have to purchase any product. They'll just need to sign up using their email in order for you to get paid. So after you've signed up and created your account, this is what your dashboard will look like. Once you get here, I want you to click on this where it says Offers on the left-hand side. And I want you to make sure that you pay close attention because I'm going to show you the best offers that you can use with this method. Essentially, you're going to start seeing all these different offers with these varying payouts, which are what I referred to earlier as cost per actions. Again, this means that nobody is required to purchase anything. All they need to do is sign up for you to earn this much money. Once you get someone to sign up for these companies, they'll then try and get that person to sign up to something else so they can make money from the signups. You can see that a lot of these are prizes, rewards, or gift cards that people can win, and some of them are a lot of money. And you can see that you can earn a decent amount of money for each sign-up. After you've selected your offer, you can then click on it and get your link right here. This is your affiliate link, which is the link you'll be sharing to everyone else to click on and sign up with so you can get paid. So whenever someone signs up, they'll have a chance to win this offer, and after every sign-up, you'll get paid. This is very powerful and super effective for you to earn money. So if you selected an offer that's from a particular country like the US, and someone clicks on your link and is not from the US, this website will automatically send that person a different offer that works in their country. And if they complete that offer and sign up, you will still get paid. So now I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic to share your affiliate link to. So what you're going to do is head over to this website called aweber.com. This is an extremely important step, so please do not skip any part of this video. But before I go further in this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to learn more ways about how to make money online. So the first thing you need to do is create your own free account if you haven't already. So to start, just click right here and then you'll be required to fill out some basic personal information. Once you've logged into your account, it should look something like this. So what you'll want to do is click on Pages and Forms right here and then click on Landing Pages right here. After that, you'll want to click this button right here that says Create a Landing Page. You can choose to use a template, or you can just start with a blank canvas. I'm just going to select a blank canvas. After that, you can just delete all of these until you get a completely blank canvas. Next, you'll want to write a title, which can be the title of your offer that you selected. And then you'll want to add an image that's related to your offer, as that will get you a lot more signups. So you can just head over to Google and search for an image that's related to your offer. So I'll just search this as this is related to my offer and then select an image. I'll just right click on this image right here, save it to my computer, and then head over to a site called canva.com, which is also free. You'll then want to click this button that says Create a Design. You'll add your photo here, then download this to your computer and add it onto your landing page in Aweber. So I'll just add it really quick right here. And then just below the photo, you can add a very simple description to let the person who is signing up know exactly what they are signing up for. And then just below that will be where you will place your button. This is what someone will click on to open your affiliate link. So you can just type something like click here for the title of the button. And then this is where you will place the affiliate link. So you'll just head back over to CPA Lead, click on your offer, and then copy your affiliate link right here and paste it right in here on Aweber. And after you've completed all of these steps, you'll just click Save and Exit, and then click here to publish your page. After you've done that, you will then have access to your page URL right here. This is the link you'll be sharing to your free traffic. And every time someone clicks on this, you will get paid. So now you're probably wondering how and where you're going to promote this link so you can earn your passive income. And I think the best place for you to do this is on Facebook groups. So you'll want to head over to Facebook and search sweepstakes, freebies, enter to win, or gift cards right here in the groups or communities section. And you can sign up to any of these groups that you choose. So now I'm going to show you an example of something that you can write and post onto these groups to get people to click and sign up through your affiliate link. So first, you're going to want to join as many of these groups as you can. And then you will want to create a post that looks like this. You can type something like what I have here. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.